Can a U.S. citizen sponsor their parent and their underage brother or sister for a green card? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. We had a visitor to the website send us an email over the weekend, and the question was so common that I thought I'd make a video about it for you. So in this scenario, we have a U.S. citizen with a mother and a sister overseas. The sister is 16 years old, and the mother is the mother of a U.S. citizen. So the U.S. citizen had sponsored both the mother and the sister for a green card. He had filed separate I-130 petitions for an alien relative for each of them, and they both had been approved by USCIS. And the family was going along thinking that the mother and the sister were going to be able to come to the United States at the same time. And here's where their mistake was. So the law says that the parents of U.S. citizens, Congress has placed no limitation on the number of parents of U.S. citizens that can get green cards, and they can come once all their processing is completed. So USCIS processes the case, they approve it, it gets sent to the National Visa Center, it processes there, that's the State Department, and then eventually gets sent to the embassy for an interview. There's no cap on the number of those visas available every year. That's not true for the siblings of brothers and sisters, and this is true even if the sibling is under 21. So a lot of people mistakenly think that the U.S. citizen's sponsorship of the mother or father will bring the child to the United States. And that simply isn't the case. That isn't how it works. It doesn't work that way, and this is where people get confused. The wait time for a brother or sister of a U.S. citizen is currently about 12 or 13 years. Right now they're processing cases that were filed and that have a priority date of 12 or 13 years ago for brothers and sisters. So just because the mother or father's case is approved doesn't mean that the sibling's case is also going to be approved. So this can really be a headache for people because a lot of times the parent isn't going to want to come without the child. They're not going to want to be separated from the child for as long as it takes for the child to come here. So what's someone to do? Well, there is one scenario, but it's very complicated, and I'm going to set it out here on video, but I really don't recommend that you try this at home. And I say that sincerely. Whether you work with us or some other immigration attorney, this is a very complicated maneuver. It will work, but it's sort of tricky, so try to follow me here. The U.S. citizen's mother has been approved for a green card. So what you do is you have the mother consular processing, get the green card, and come to the United States. You then have them establish themselves here in the United States, open a bank account, find a place to live, get a library card and proof of residency, and then you file for a reentry permit for the mom or the dad. And a reentry permit allows a green card holder, which the mom or dad now are green card holders, they can get permission to be out of the United States for 2 years. So you file for the reentry permit, and then the mother can file for the daughter as the mother of a green card holder. And the wait time for those is only about 2 years. So you can process all that at the same time. The mom gets the reentry permit, she goes back home to the home country, and all the while the child's green card case is underway. And eventually the petition for I-130 that the mother has filed for the child is going to be approved, and the child's going to be eligible to get a visa because the State Department will have worked through the number of visas and the number has become available. At that point, the child can go through the consular processing and come to the United States with the green card holding parent. I would not recommend that you try this on your own. It's a very complicated and it's convoluted and sort of counterintuitive. It's also time consuming. So if you have any questions about this process, about how you as a U.S. citizen can sponsor your mom or dad and your little brothers and sisters, give us a call at 314-961-8200, or you can email us at jim@hackinglawpractice.com. If you like this video, please click the like button below and make sure to sign up as a subscriber to our YouTube channel so that you get updates whenever we shoot one of these new videos. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.